Hey everyone, Carlos over at BearbullTraders.com. Short recap video today. I only traded one stock, NLSN, for the short twice. So I'll go through it on the 5-minute chart first. Right here, Andrew called this for possible short. We had this on our watch list this morning, and it did drop, but it lost a lot of momentum. It didn't drop as much as we wanted to. So once it dropped down and it didn't have a big drop here in this 5-minute candle after this one, I started covering some of the profits just in case it was going to pull back and and not actually sell off. So I took some here and I took here several times. I left just a little bit. I think probably about 200 units, 150 shares. It pulled back to VWAP. Then I was expecting that it was finally going to sell off here, and then I took the rest out. Then on the second trade here, it finally broke this level, so I went short again a little late. I wanted to get in more around this area here, closer to this candle, but I got in short again. Finally did the move that I was expecting. It hit this moving average, just continued to drop. I took the majority here, I think about 50% of my shares here, and then I took the rest here. So I was able to survive this pullback. It didn't get close to my entry level. Entry point, so I took the rest out here. It looked like it wanted to reverse. It did finally reverse. It went back to VWAP, but I was not going to take that chance, so I took the rest here. On the 1-minute chart, I'll show you what this looks like. So here's when we called it for possible short in the chat room. So this was kind of great setup. Lost the VWAP on the 1-minute chart and the 5-minute chart. So I got in short with 1,500 shares. Again, a bigger size than what I wanted to get in for the move to not go down right away. So once I saw that in the second candle, we didn't have that nice drop to at least up to here to this level. I reduced my shares, took some off immediately. Finally, we did have this other drop here, but these are not big drops. If you look at this, these are probably 15 cents or so or less. But I took some here. Actually, twice. I took out twice here, then the rest here. Actually, not the rest, then some here again, and then here I took the majority. I left just a little bit, like I mentioned earlier, just to see, if this drop was going to happen. I was not patient enough. So when I saw that it was we had this push up again, and the candle was, looking to be very bullish, I just took the rest out. Then I kept watching this stock. I mean, it was hard for me to trade today. I am trading off my MacBook Pro, as you can see here, using Parallels Desktop. I am away from home on a family vacation, but I'm still able to trade in the morning. So it was very hard to manage the stocks, the watch list this morning, just with one screen, because I'm so used to having 6 monitors at home. But either way, I like the setup here. It finally broke this level here, so I got in short a little later than what I wanted to. I wanted to get in more around here, for just to have a better entry point. But it did continue to drop. Didn't have any major pullback, so I held it all the way until here. I took about 50% off here because this was already a big move. It did this pullback. I waited to see if it was gonna get back to my entry point or still keep dropping. It did drop a little more, not a lot more further than what my original profit target was. But at this point, I just took everything out because I was afraid that it might bounce back, and make it to VWAP. It eventually did. It did a bounce back, but I was out by that time. So that's my recap for today, guys. Hope everybody else had a good start to the week, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow.